Hello, and welcome to this FortiWeb's video on bot deception. In this video, we'll focus on FortiWeb's bot deception feature. It is a proactive defense mechanism designed to detect and trap malicious bots, such as web crawlers. It works by inserting hidden links into HTML response pages. Human users browsing normally will not see or interact with these invisible links. But bots, especially crawlers, may unknowingly follow them, revealing their automated behavior. Configuration is easy. Tell FortiWeb the hidden links you want to insert and on which URLs pages you want to insert it. In this example, FortiWeb will insert to the hidden link on page www.example.com/admin whenever someone accesses it. To sum it up, FortiWeb's bot deception traps malicious bots by inserting hidden links into web pages. Real users won't see them, but bots will. It's an easy, proactive way to catch and block unauthorized automation. Thank you for watching.